Jonathan Fixes again. We're bought more stuff for the Bronco. We're putting on what Ford calls a safari bar. It's that bar that goes here. I call them bull bars, push bars. I don't know. It's that thing. And this is it. And instructions. Don't need those. You get some bolts and you get a bar. That's not to scratch. Let's see what this thing looks like. This thing packs better than Christmas. All right. So we're going to put this here. Pretty simple. Let's set this aside. Okay, we're back. First thing we gotta do is take these 8 bolts out, and then we put the bar on. There we go. And you can do that fast forward thing right here. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to need you to come around here and hold this. Do not scratch it. You got it on real thick. There. Right there.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. I like that. Hot dog. Alright, start you a couple bolts. This is so easy, it's not fun. I say that, and somehow somebody's going to go, hey, my bolts don't fit. I'll tell you that. Start all the bolts by hand. Yup. Now, hey, go, I'm sorry.
I know.
You're okay. Tricky little devil. You got to go behind there to get that one.
That's good.
Now you're going to want to go to, I don't know, the instructions somewhere around here. 18.5 pounds of feet on the Torx. Let's see. $25 Newton meters. Great. That's Canadian measurement. 18.5. Click. Click. We're done. It's that easy. Anybody can do it. All right, we just put the safari bar, and you can still, it's above the camera. Now, it does kind of block the Bronco, but
Not like it used to.
not like it used to. It used to be right there. I don't like that.
I like the new one.
I like this one. Yep. All right. So if anybody has an extra $500 and whatever dollars laying around, just go get you an accessory. And whew, nice. All right. We're done.